let's try this pickled egg thing again. Alright, we'll let this sit in there for a little while and just kind of experiment and see what that does. Be a fun little project to keep working on, filling this thing up with eggs. For an egg sandwich. There we go, breakfast. Comes with its own case, which is nice. Batteries included, that's something you don't see too often. Some probes here. There they are. Pay attention to the illustration for the battery direction. Beep. Pull this plastic protective cover off here. There we go. 5.78 amps. 2.8 amps. Zero. Oh! What? So now it's zeroed itself out. Maybe now we should try it. Saying 2 amps. That's a little more what I thought it would be. Oh, there's the light. Press and hold 2 seconds. There we go. Hey, cool. See what I'm doing, kind of. Okay, to hold, be a hold button. Manual range, the meter's default range is auto. To select manual range, press RAM. That's what RAM is. When measuring DC current, ensure that the current flows in the direction indicated by the positive and negative symbols on the clamp. Oh! Oh! Well, that's good to know. Okay, so there's like a negative and positive. That's why things are reading kind of weird. Okay. So, we gotta make sure this is going the right way. Let's try this on the charger now. So, see if I understand this right. If this wire, that's battery plus right there, I can see. These wires are kind of warm. So this is a 15 amp charger. Hey, look at that. 13 amps. Oh, there's our 15 almost. When the that makes me happy. Cool, I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna start checking everything. I'm gonna make a list, figure out what I'm using, what I need. This is freaking awesome. Thumbs up for me on this one, I like it. 98 bucks. The sun is out. Probably be a bunch of solar if the charger wasn't charging right now. This will limit what it's charging with when the charger's on. And look at this, I'm in my t-shirt. This is the first warm day it feels like this year. I think it is the first warm day this year. I feel like I have not been out of that shirt in months. Or out of a long sleeve shirt in months. I took a shower this morning, but yeah, sometimes it feels like I never get out of my clothes. I'm always in my thermals, and I only shower like once a week just to save on water. And during the cold winter, it doesn't seem like it's as necessary. Not getting sweaty or dirty or anything, so I can actually go a whole week without showering. Hair gets pretty greasy, but it saves on water and energy, and I feel like I'm in my thermals 24/7. And it feels weird to be in a t-shirt. It feels great. I love it. It's perking my spirits up. A little tired, but that's alright. Batteries are charged. Got the video editing on the PC. And I'm getting some much needed rest here at the rest area. Getting a video uploaded and cutting up my broccoli, getting that put away so it's easy to make my burritos or salad. Alright, some more chicken veggie burritos. Gonna use up some of this kale since I got 2 bundles. It's not often Winco gets in a good batch, but this was a good batch. So let's use that instead of broccoli this time. Since broccoli lasts a little longer too, this stuff will start getting yellow over time. at the rest area. Just got one truck and one motorhome and another truck on the other side.